So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can delete a particular server that you have been created on your Discord. You just need to be logged into any of the device that you have. If you have an Android device, you can download the Discord application to follow the same process, or if you have iOS, you can download the Discord application from the App Store. So first of all, let me open Discord on my Windows PC. You can do the same process on web versions as well. So first of all, on the most left window, you need to just simply select the server that you want to delete. For example, if I select the server, now here when you click there, you're gonna see the server name, and below it all the channels of the server, and here you're gonna find all the chat settings. Here you just simply need to right click on the server full name. You're gonna find on the left top corner, just simply hit right, and here you're gonna find an option of server settings. When you're in the settings of the server, here on the left small window with some of the windows, you need to scroll down until you find an option of delete server. You're gonna see it's the option of delete server. So simply click on this, and here you're gonna see the it gives you a warning that if you want to delete the server, you can you have to first write the name of the server for the confirmation. Once you write the full name, exact name for the server, and hit delete server, the server is getting automatically deleted, and you have to be you have to take precautions, because this action cannot be undone. If you delete a server, it won't be able to come back again. So by this method, you can easily delete a server from your Discord account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.